This is Bala Reva. Welcome to Bala Reva UiPath YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how to copy paste the data inside the Excel sheet and one file to another file, and finally how to convert the clipboard data to a data table. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Your subscription makes me to create more videos and components. First, you have to install the package. Go to the Manage and Packages, select Connect and type Bala Reva Easy Excel. And select the package, install it. Before that, let me show you the sample file. This is the sample file. First we are going to see how to copy paste inside the Excel file. Okay. First I am going to copy paste column wise. That means I am going to copy B to D column. That means 3 columns I am going to copy and paste into a test sheet. It start at K1 column. Okay, let us see how to do this one. When you navigate in the activities panel, you can able to see the Bala Reva Easy Excel activities. First we have to use the Excel scope. In the Excel scope we have to select the file, and here I am going to use source file. In the sheets you can able to see the copy to clipboard. In the copy to clipboard, first you have to mention the sheet name, and here is the sheet name is sales order. And the cell range is, we are going to copy B, C, D, 3 columns. So here you have to specify B colon D. So when you specify like this, it will copy the 3 columns. Okay, and after that we have to paste the data in the test sheet. To do this, you have to use the paste clipboard. Drag this one, and here you have to specify the sheet name. The sheet name is test, and the starting range is K1. Okay, I am going to close the file. Let me execute the process. It's finished. Let us check the result. You see, order date, region, rep. So it has 43 records. So here I am going order, region, rep. So it's copied until the 43 records. But one thing, here is format missing. The thing is, this is a table. When you do a copy inside the table, it will copy only the values. It should not copy the format. Let us see how to copy paste with format. Okay, I'm going to delete these values. Okay, and in the sales order you can see, because this is table, because we have used this table design. So if you want to with the table design, you have to copy the whole thing. Here is starting position is A1 and the range end position is I44. And also you can able to see this is a formula field. The cumulative column is a formula field. Rest of the columns are the values. So I'm going to use A1 to I44. So let me change the range. here is A1 to I44. Rest of the thing are the same. So I'm going to close the file, save it. Let me execute the process. Okay, let us check the result. See, it's copied with format, and here you can able to see the formula also. So this is the way you can able to copy paste inside the Excel. Next we are going to see how to copy the data one file to another file. If you want to copy the range, here you can able to mention the range like A1 colon I44, and the column, if you want, you can able to specify only the column names, that means A colon D, something like this. Okay, but here I am going to copy paste one file to another file. So before that, let us show you the output file. In the output file, the same, we have a test. So I am going to paste in the N1 column. Okay, so what I am going to do, again I am going to drag the Excel scope activity. I am going to select the output file, and just I am going to drag this paste to clipboard here. Okay, here I am going to specify N1. Okay, let us see the output. I'm going to save this one. Okay, let me execute the process. Okay, good. Let us check the result. Here it doesn't have a format. When you see the formula, it doesn't have the formula, it has only the value. The thing is, when you copy paste one file to another file, the activity will paste only the value, not a format. That is the major difference. When you do the copy paste inside the file, it will keep the format, but when you do the copy paste between one file to another file, it will copy only the values. So this is the way you can able to do a copy paste. So next we are going to see how to convert the clipboard data as a data table. I'm going to comment this one because we are not going to use the paste activity. To get the clipboard data as a data table, you have to install the Balareva Excel package. Balareva select the package, install it. Okay, so already we have the activity to copy the data to a clipboard. So next I am going to use in the Balareva Excel. In the external, you can able to see clipboard to data table. Okay, you drag this one in the properties. You have to give the data table name here. Control K, DT Excel. Okay, here I copied the clipboard data to a data table. So how can I see the data table values? Okay, to see the data table values, we have an activity. Go to manage and packages, select connect, and here type balareva.easy data table. Select the package and install it. In the easy data table, you have an activity called show data table. This activity will show the complete value of the data table, and also you can able to see the column data type. Okay, so here you have to specify the data table. Okay, Let me execute the process. See, this one automatically will show the table values. And one thing I forgot to tell you, in the clipboard to data, if you specify true, it will take the column header as a first row. Let us see. See, the first row is a column header, and now you can able to see the what are the values it has the data table. When you double click inside the cell, it has a pop-up window and it will show you what is the column name, what is the data type, the index, this column is having allow db null or not, how many columns we have and how many rows we have. The main thing is the data type. Okay, so I think it's a useful activity to you to see the values inside the data table. So this is the way we can able to convert the clipboard data to a data table. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, never miss the update. Your subscription makes me to create more videos and components.